He know Frank ain't been on this type of stage before, so he's trying to show him up. Let him know that he the big dog.
How did you feel about Frank Fletcher and take jump downs?
I mean, if
you know the mind game that's being played.
Man, if a boxer jump at you, you're not gonna flinch. Like, well, especially a guy with 29-0 with 27 KOs, like, who not gonna flinch? Anybody gonna flinch. If you don't flinch and he really hit you, then what? You're gonna be slick. You're gonna be knocked out. So I mean, yeah, he flinched, but I mean, anybody flinch. So.